Hi friends, I am Shivogi, MSc. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Maths Class SJ. So in this video, I will give answer key of Karnataka TET paper 2 2020. Only math subject I will give, and question number 91 to 113. I will give question answers. So as per my knowledge, this is 100% correct. Okay. So because I solved these all, after that, after solution, I am giving answer keys. Okay. So I will start here. Mathematics, this is the mathematics. Okay. In English medium is there. First one is 91 question number. Okay. In the expansion 4p minus 3q whole square, the numerical coefficient of pq is, here pq coefficient he is asking, so that is minus 24 you will get. Okay. So in other video I explained how we will get here minus 24, right? So next 92 question is, the sum of two numbers is 2490 if 6.5% of one number is equal to 8.5% of the other, then the numbers are, so then the numbers you will get here 1411 comma 1079. So this is the correct answer. So next I will go to third question. Question is, the denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator by 11. If 8 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 3 by 4. Then the original fraction is how much? So original fraction you will get here 25 by 36. This is the correct answer. So in other video I explained, I solved this one. This question I solved. Okay, means all questions I solved, you can go to that. This is for only answers. Okay. So next 94, the value of square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus so on infinity is there. So its value is how much? This is the question. So correct answer is 3. This is the first option is the correct, and answer is 3. Okay. So next 95, question number 95, one root of quadratic equation 2x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0 is there. Okay. So its root is 2. You can find here the value of k. You can find k value already given, one root of the this quadratic equation, that is 2. So here k value is 6. 6 is the correct option answer. Okay. So next 96 question is, given that one of the 0 of the polynomial a square plus 9 into x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other, the value of a. Okay. So here 0 of the polynomial, one is a and another one is reciprocal of a, means 1 by a is there. Okay. So then you can find here other value. Okay. So here answer is 3 will get. Okay. 97, the area of the base of the cylinder is 44. Here cylinder base area is given, that is 44 centimeter square, and its height is 10 centimeter. The volume of cylinder is how much? This is the question. Okay. So correct answer is 440 centimeter cube. This is the correct answer. So 98 question, a solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface areas. Here one sphere is there, that is solid sphere, and one solid hemisphere. These two have equal total surface area. The ratio of their radii is, radii, these two radius are root 3 ratio 2. This is the correct answer. Okay friends, next I will go to 99 question. In triangle ABC, this is the ABC triangle. In this triangle AB equal to AC, AB, AC, these two are equal. Angle A is given, that is 48, and also angle ACD is given. Angle ACD is 18. The measure of DCB is how much? You can find here measure of DCB. Okay. So correct answer is 48. 48 is the correct answer. Right. So next question number 100. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar. Area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is 121 centimeter square, and EF length is given, that is 15.4 centimeter. The measure of BC is how much? BC value is how much? This is the question. So correct answer is 11.2 centimeter. This is the correct answer. So next question number 101, the angles of a quadrilaterals are in the ratio. So here quadrilateral angles are given, that is in the ratio. Okay. 3:5:7:9. So here 4 angles are in the ratio 3, 5, 7 and 9 given. The measure of its smallest angle is how much? This is the question. So answer is, correct answer is 45 degree. Next 102, this is the question. Question is DE and F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. BC midpoint is D, CA midpoint is E, AB midpoint is F are given already. Okay, so the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and DEF. So you can find here ratio of area of triangle ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF areas ratio you can find. So correct answer is 1:4. So I explained these all questions in other video. If you want explanation, solution, answer, means you can go to that videos, right? So just in this video I am giving answers, right? So question number 103. A chord length 16 cm is drawn at a distance of 6 cm from the center of circle. The radius of circle is how much? So radius of circle you will get here 10 cm. This is the correct answer. Next 104. The area of quadrant of a circle when perimeter of circle is 44 cm. Here given perimeter of the circle 44 cm. You can find here area of the quadrant of circle, that is 38.5 cm square you will get, right? So 105, question number 105. Question is ABCD is square. This is the ABCD, this is the square of side 14 cm. Okay, so APD and BPC are two equal semicircles. These two are the equal semicircles and ABCD is square of 14 cm its side length. The area of the shaded region is how much? You can find this shaded region area. So shaded region area is 42 cm square. This is the correct answer. Next 106, question number 106. The 10th term of arithmetic progression is 3, 7 and 11, so on. Okay, so here 10th term, last term is we have to find. Okay, so we have to find a last term already given arithmetic progression. So you can use formula and you can substitute all values, then you will get here correct answer, that is 39. So next 107. Question is the sum of natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 6. This is the question. Okay, so you will get here correct answer, that is 2550. This is the correct answer, right? Next 108. A number A is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability that A is less than 3 is. So probability of the getting A that is less than 3 is 6/7 is the correct answer. Next 109. So question is the formula to calculate the mode of the given data. If you want to calculate mode of the given data, means you can use here, this is the formula, that is L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the correct answer, right? So next question number 110. The question is the value of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to how much? So its value you will get here sin 60, that is √3/2 you will get its value. This is equals to sin 60. Second option is the correct answer. So next question number 111. In triangle ABC triangle is there. Here already given B angle, that is 90 degree and cot A value is √3. The value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is how much? This is the question. Correct answer is 1, that is 2 option. Okay, so answer will get here 1 and option is 2. Next 112. Question is in the given figure O is the center of the circle. Here O is the center of the circle. The value of x in the coordinates of P is how much? So this is the P point and its coordinates are x, 10. So here x value is how much? This is the question. So and the answer is 3. Option is also 3. Answer is also 3. So last one, that is 113. The distance between the points 2, 5 and x, -7 is 13. Already given distance between these 2 points. These 2 points distance is 13. Then the positive value of x is how much? This is the question. Okay, x value will get here 7. That is first option. 100%. Okay, so these all solutions are exact solutions, correct solutions, so or correct answers. Okay, so if you want solutions means other videos are there, Karnataka TET 2020 paper 2 maths solutions. This is the solutions you can watch. If you like my videos, please you can hit like, and also if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. This is my request to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.